Hello everyone. So today we are starting something new. That is the blog narration. कुछ ना कुछ करते रहता हूँ मैं वैसे भी. So in this what I am doing, not you all. What I am doing, I write blogs. Free time में blog खेल लेते हैं. So what I will do, I will narrate the blogs in Hindi or whatever language is comfortable to you. So first blog. It was when your heart beats for you. Why can't you? So ये पहला ब्लॉग है. So please forgive me for the English here and the grammatical mistakes. So what is it? Just keep your hand on your left lower chest. Medical, so sorry for that. What do you feel? Some sensation that your heart is beating. Then what we have is heart is just a pumping organ, not like a love and all that. Pumping organ. So it still plays a vital role in the body. It tries every possible way to provide oxygen and nutrients via blood to each and every cell of our body and remove carbon dioxide and other waste so that they can work properly. Basically, it's a mechanism, but as a whole, just remember it's a pumping organ, nothing more than that. So then, our body is so much dependent on heart as it is the only organ which can support our existence. As its collapse can cause human death very soon than any other organs. Keeping all this in mind, it works day and night from our birth to death without even resting at once. So basically, when you are born till that, it works without anything, without you are giving something on other, it works. So basically, it's a motivational blog what I write, but it's okay if you find it funny or something like that. So it neither complains. I know it's a pumping organ, it don't complain, it's not a human being, but still, feel the emotion. It neither complains us for giving adverse conditions to pump more and more blood, nor desire for any reward, which shows how selfless it is like any other organ in the body. So we should be grateful to have an inspiring organs. Just think inspiring organs within us and continue to toil with और ट्विस्टेड एटीट्यूड. नया नया ब्लॉग अपन थोड़ा वर्ड लिखना पड़ता है. और ट्विस्टेड एटीट्यूड basically it's a selfless, it doesn't demand anything from you. Then we humans are the most civilized beings on the earth. It's ironical. Civilized but worst on the earth have to face tough times and even go through depression sometimes in our lives. Depression is like common thing now, nothing more. The basic problem is that we don't like changes or anything which is undesirable. Then we find motivation outside in all online search engines. No need to tell the names, you all know that. Then rather than noticing our own body functioning which has immense power to inspire us and be consistent. Basically I wrote this blog when I had something that level that organs also inspired me. So basically inspired us and be consistent. So we all know that results are not in our hands as there are many factors affecting it. So our efforts should be on our own definition, okay, of success rather than all materialistic success in which failure is inevitable. Now basically all these things failure is inevitable, success, all that. But basically what I wanted to tell that inspire from your organs. It's not comedy, As the title says, when your heart beats for you, why can't you? Even give your best in the work which you are focusing on at least for a while. So basically all comedy over now. Main point which I wanted to tell that when your heart beats for you, basically all your throughout your life from birth to death, why can't you just work and be inspired? There is something behind you that is working for you, and that's a good thing. It was my first blog. What is this? It was my first blog. Thank you.